Shilajit cold and hot drink recipes. We know about the many benefits of Shilajit. In this video, we are sharing how to consume Shilajit Resin daily. You can mix a portion of Shilajit that is equivalent to 2 to 3 grains of rice with a warm drink. You can also use JUAS Shilajit spoon for your ease. Milk. Mix Shilajit resin in a glass of warm milk and you can consume it directly. To make the taste better and healthier, you can also add honey. It is best to consume this drink early in the morning or before you go to bed. Hot water. Similar to milk, you can consume Shilajit resin with hot water. Take a glass of warm water and stir till it dissolves and it is ready to drink. Hot lemon. Shilajit can be consumed with hot lemon too. To enhance the taste, you can add a pinch of pink salt in it. Fruit juices and smoothies. Fruit juices and smoothies are other recipes that you can try adding Shilajit. In the case of fruit juices and smoothies, first mix a little bit of Shilajit in about half a cup of warm water and pour this into your favorite smoothie. A healthy person can consume Shilajit up to 300 to 500 milligrams in a day. Take it 2 to 3 times a day according to your requirement. It is best to avoid taking Shilajit if you have pre-existing conditions such as thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, and hemochromatosis. It is not suggested to drink Shilajit with alcohol.